How to deactivate Facebook account. So if you have a Facebook account and you want to deactivate it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to deactivate your Facebook account, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Now click on the menu icon at the bottom right if you're using an iPhone. On Android, click on the menu icon at the top right. Now, while on your Facebook menu page, scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings on the expansion. Once you click on Settings, locate Meta account and click on that. Now, while on the Account Center, scroll down, click on Personal Details. Then, under Personal Details, locate Account Ownership and Controls. Now, click on it. Then here, under Account Ownership and Control, go ahead and click on Deactivation or Deletion. Now, once you click on that, hang on, and then select the Facebook account you want to deactivate. Then here you should see Deactivate Account, Delete Account. So click on Deactivate and click on Continue. Then you should see Deactivating your Facebook account. Then all pages associated with your Facebook account will also be activated. So go ahead and click on Continue. Hang on, and you'll be prompted to confirm your Facebook account password. Type in your password and then tap Continue. Hang on, then you should see deactivating your Facebook account temporarily. I'll be back. Just go ahead, choose the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account here. After that, scroll down and then click on Continue. Then tap Continue again. Then you should say Confirm Temporary Account Deactivation. So go ahead, click on Permanently Delete all applications for which I am the only developer. Check it. Then tap Deactivate my account. So you can always come back again, choose why you want to leave Facebook. No reason if you choose other. Then click on Done and tap Continue. Then again, repeat the same thing again. Check this and click on Deactivate my account. So you just need to hang on for a couple of seconds for Facebook to take the decision. And I should say, account is now deactivated. You see that? Then that is basically how to deactivate your Facebook account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.